बंद कर दो ना ये जूलॉजी पीडीएफ
हाँ ये वाले लगा।
ये लास्ट क्लास है ना आपकी?
ज्वाइन कर लूँ मैं?
कर लो यार, जो करना है करो, आती हूँ मीटिंग में। एडमिट ऑल।
Good morning, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Today we will do something very easy and interesting. Rearranging of sentences. So obviously this is
Good morning, ma'am.
easy. Good afternoon, dear. And it is something very interesting,
Good afternoon,
easy.
ma'am.
But what is good afternoon, dear? What is the only rule of jumble sentences? Who will tell me? What is the only rule we have for jumble sentences? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, to
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. Yes, you were saying something. What is the rule for handling such sentences?
ma'am,
We
to
should. Yes,
order.
you were saying. Tell the answer.
Ma'am, to replace them in order.
Yes, you have to replace them in order and make sure you check the number of words. For example, the first sentence, count how many words are there quickly.
Ma'am, 7.
I'm 14.
7.
Beta, how
13.
can it be 7? Count how many are there.
I'm 14 are there.
14 are there. Do you all agree it's 14?
13. Ma'am, 13.
13.
Somebody says 13, somebody says 14. Check out how many.
13.
Sorry, ma'am, it's 13 only.
Yes, it is 13. Now, the rule is very simple. After you have arranged the sentence, you have to check that the number of words should be 13. No word should be missed out, number one. And number two, you cannot add on any word from your own side. So the word should be neither less nor more than the given sentences. This is very, very important. Your time starts now. You have to attempt the first exercise. There are only 4 sentences in this. Let me see who finishes first and correct. Start. Only the first exercise, which has only 4 sentences, this is what you need to do. Remember, after you have planned the correct sentence, you need to check on what I have told you. Okay? You need to check this, whether all words have been used or not. And we have not missed out anything. That is also very important. Whoever finishes, let me know so that I can check whether you've done it correct or not.
Ma'am, do we have to post?
Beta, later, after we check, then we'll post. Of course, you'll have to post because without posting, you'll not be marked present. But do it and then we'll first discuss, then you can post. Just the first exercise with the first 4 sentences.
I'm done.
Who said done? Gargi, Jigyasa. 2 people have already done. Okay, great. Let's see. Akansha has done. Naina has done. So first chance we'll give to Gargi. First name. Yes, Gargi, what is the first sentence according to you? All others will keep a vigilant check and see whether her answer is correct or not. Yes, Gargi, start.
Knowledge and time are the 2 most powerful tools that one can possess.
Beta, do you agree with her answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. The number of words is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody has heard? Everybody is okay with it? Second sentence from Jigyasa. Yes, Jigyasa, second sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Knowledge is a unique possession that can never be stolen.
Okay, knowledge is a unique possession that can never be stolen. Do you agree with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
No word she has missed out?
No, ma'am.
Akansha, third sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Knowledge develops human faculties and leads to the excellence of mind.
Do you agree with the answer, children? All words included or something she has missed out? You want to check? Should I tell Akansha to speak again?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Akansha, Bicha, speak a little slowly so that they can relate. Speak better.
Okay, ma'am. Knowledge develops human faculties and lead to the excellence of mind.
Now check and tell me, has she used every word?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Answer?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
And I have framed it in a different way.
Yes, let us see. Let us hear. It is possible to have more than one ways, but then every word should be there. Speak out, Peter.
Knowledge develops the excellence of mind and leads to human faculties.
Yes, this is also correct. Absolutely fine. Two things were there. You've taken that as the first one. This is also correct. Okay, Naina, next one.
Yes, ma'am. For those who know how to make the best use of time, the doors of success are always open or always remain open.
Do you agree with the answer? Naina, speak a little slowly.
She
so
has
that-
added R.
Yes, just a second.
Another sentence.
Ma'am, I
Wait,
have
first, wait. Hold on. First, Naina, repeat. I also could not understand. Speak a little slowly. Come on, Naina.
For those who know how to make the best use of time, the doors of success always remain open.
Do you agree with the answer?
Right, ma'am, there is one more way.
Mama
Okay.
framed it in another way.
Anyone else has an answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak one by one.
The doors of success always remain open for those who know how to make the best use of time.
Okay,
Ma'am,
fine.
same.
Same. Count the number of words.
Ma'am, all are there.
Yes, ma'am. All are there.
All are there. How many words? Check out if everything is correct.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the correct sentence? I couldn't hear. Ma'am of
Beta,
D1.
please help him out. Help him out. What he's asking. Speak again, Bache.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the sentence of D?
Yes, who had given the answer? Please repeat it for him.
Ma'am, for C1.
You're asking C now?
No, ma'am. D.
D.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
One of
the doors of success are always open for those who know how to make the best use of time.
Ma'am, but there is no R in the sentence.
Yes, ma'am. No R.
Okay, there were so many people who spoke D. Yes, who will give me D? They have found a mistake. in what
Ma'am,
they
may
have
I?
Yes, guys. First, one by one, yes, guys, speak. D1. They have found a mistake.
The doors of success always remain open for those who know how to make the best use of time.
Yes. Now, is there any extra word added?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Speak out once again slowly, Gagi, so that they're able to check.
And the screen disappeared.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Speak.
doors of success always remain open for those who know the best use how to make the best use of time.
Fine. Naina got your mistake. That is why when I started, I said you will not add any words, you will not delete any words. The number of words should be same. Finished the first exercise?
Ma'am, please wait, we are writing.
Yes, you have to write, children. Please finish writing the first exercise and then plan your answers for exercise 2. This will be also a part of your UT, first unit test. So just a practice. Please finish first exercise, plan your answers for the second
Sentence
exercise.
reordering.
Yes, Peter?
Ma'am, sentence reordering.
Yes, sentence reordering. Just giving you a practice, though there is no syllabus for this. Just a practice.
Ma'am, is there
Hurry
any
up.
book for class 10th?
Beta, that's what I was asking you that day. Has anyone purchased the entire book set from the bookstore? Entire book set.
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I brought it. Ma'am, I bought in the starting, but they said that there is no English creative writing prescribed from book from school.
Arey beta, whatever PDF you want in whatever topic, you just send a personal message to me. I have got many publications. I'll forward it to you. If you
Okay,
want to
ma'am.
practice modals, you send a message to me. I'll send you modals. If you want to practice prepositions, whatever you want to practice, I'll send it to you. You can send the answers as well to me. I've seen many students who send their work to me personally, and I go through it also. So don't worry about the book. Everything we are practicing here. If you want, I can post this PDF on the group today. I'll do it right now
Okay,
if you
ma'am.
want.
Okay,
I'll do
ma'am.
it right. I'll do it.
Post right
Okay.
now.
Yes. Okay, I'll do it. Just a second. You plan the answers for the second one.
Ma'am, what does excursion mean?
Does anyone know the meaning?
Ma'am, according to the sentence, it is a type of a trip.
Yes, beta, this is a kind of an adventurous trip. Supposing you go for a
Okay, ma'am.
trekking, try climbing a hill or a plateau or something, adventurous trip. Plan the second question answers and tell me. Whoever is ready with the second question, let me know. Anyone who's ready with 2, let me know.
Ma'am, the first two only.
Exercise 2, all the 4 sentences. I'm waiting. Come on.
Ma'am, can we use comma between while using sentence reordering?
Don't do any changes. No, no changes to be done in reordering.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Gavi, speak the first sentence. Others pay attention.
An excursion is a short trip taken for pleasure.
Do you agree with the answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? Akansha, you have a different answer or you're okay with the same answer?
No, ma'am, I'm okay.
Okay. Who will give me the second sentence? Very good.
May I?
Ma'am, I'll answer.
May I?
Okay. Try the second one. She's speaking. Others, please listen.
It is essential for schools to provide for excursions, tours, and trips.
Just count and check if she's given you correct. Check, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Correct.
ma'am, correct.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Very, very good. Absolutely correct. You wanted to speak again?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak again.
It is essential for schools to provide for excursions, tours, and trips.
Now is it clear? Have you heard what she said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, dear. Who will give me the next answer?
Ma'am, may I?
I'm okay.
Beta, speak. Others, please pay attention. Speak, Beta.
It gives children the joy of being out together with their peers.
Do you agree with the answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody, have you checked out for the number of words? Whatever she spoke, did you check out for the number of words, Beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Correct.
Yes. Okay, good. Go ahead then. Go ahead. Yes, Beta.
Ma'am, can she repeat?
Oh, sure. Why not? Speak out, Beta. Repeat the answer. Just speak once again for this child. He has missed out. Speak the second one. Any one of you, he has missed out.
No, ma'am. Third one.
Third one is difficult. Third one, there is a problem. Has anyone done the third one?
Ma'am, third we did just now.
No.
Yes. Just use this properly. Is right. One of you again speak the third one. Come on.
It gives the children the joy of being out together with their peers.
Yes. But your audio has a little issues like always, Kaki. Someone else, please. Once again, it gives. Speak again.
It gives children the joy of being out together with their peers.
Very good. It gives children the joy of being together with their peers. Excellent. Now let us see who will give me the D1. It's a little long, but it's not difficult. Come on, the D1. No one is able to do?
It gives the curiosities to explore the place personally and
making
enjoy
sense?
an opportunity of visit it.
Beta, does it make sense? The sentence, speak again. Others, please listen. Is it making sense? Just check out. Speak
It
again.
gives the curiosities to explore the place personally and enjoy an opportunity of visit it.
It's very haphazard, not proper.
Ma'am, may I try?
Yes, try.
Personally, it gives an opportunity to explore the curiosities of the place visited and enjoy.
Excellent. This is perfect. Can we have it again once? Speak slowly so that they can relate.
Personally, it gives an opportunity to explore the curiosities of the place visited and enjoy.
Correct now? Is it fine? Or you want her to speak again?
Again.
Ma'am, once more.
Okay, once again, beta. I know. Yes, speak. Otherwise, if her audio is not fine, I'll do it for you. Speak, Gargi, speak slowly but loudly.
Personally, it gives an opportunity to explore the curiosities of the place visited and enjoy.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the first one?
Beta, move on to exercise 3. Please plan the answers so that we can discuss. I hope you finished writing first and second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, plan the answers for the third one. Hurry up, then we'll discuss.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Gagi is done. Should we start discussing?
Ma'am, done.
Okay.
Done.
First one you tell, then you tell. Start with them. Tell the first one.
India is one of the world's oldest civilizations.
Do you agree with the
India
answer?
is,
Yes, speak.
ma'am.
You tell the
yes,
second.
ma'am.
She's already told the first one. You tell the second.
India is rich in places of historical, religious, industrial, and scientific interest.
Do you agree with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you checked out for the number of words?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who will give the third one?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Beta first she, then if she gets it wrong, then you speak. Speak, beta. The third one.
It also has nature's bounties generously spread all over the country.
Okay. Do you agree with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody agrees? Very good. This one you did it very quickly. What about the fourth one?
Ma'am.
Who will tell?
Excuse
Yes,
me,
Vichit,
ma'am.
speak. Yes, beta,
Ma'am,
speak.
we can also frame it like it also has nature's bounty spread all over the country generously.
Just check out with the words. Are all the words included?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we can do it this way as well because it's making sense. Very good. We have to be sure that the words are same. The last sentence, please, of the third one.
May I?
Yes, beta. Please speak.
And the list of available places and sports can never be exhausted.
Do you agree with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you checked for the number of words?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you written all the answers?
Ma'am, please wait.
Yes, I'll wait for you. Please finish writing the third exercise, and those who finish will plan the fourth one. First, you write because you'll be posting on the group.
Some water bounties.
Can anybody answer this question? Or should I tell? Anyone who can answer the question? Yes. Can anyone answer your friend? What does bounty mean?
Ma'am, nature's beauty.
Okay, one option that is coming is nature's beauty. Anyone else? Anyone else will give me the meaning of this word bounty?
Ma'am,
Bounties?
like kind of small hill.
Don't
Small hill. Okay. One is saying nature's beauty. The other is saying it is small hill. Yes. Anyone else who can give me the answer? Come on, come on. Anyone you can guess something?
know.
Bounties. 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 If you say hill, you mean hills when it is bounties? Somebody said hill, no? So do you mean hills? Yes. Yes, yes. Nobody? See, there are different meanings of bounties. Here, it means what? It means the generosity or the kindness. Now, understand this sentence. There are different words of the word bounty. See this. Yes. Nature's bounty. Nature's gifts. Nature's generosity. That is nature's bounties. Yes. Now the fourth exercise.
Ma'am, what was the answer for C?
C1. Please, third one, C. Who will speak? Third C.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, speak. Let me also check. Speak, beta.
It also has nature's bounty spread generously all over the country.
Okay. She says it also has. Yes, yes. Speak again.
Nature's bounty
No,
spread
no, no.
generously all over the country.
Hmm.
So can you please repeat the second one?
Second one. Yes, children. Second one. Who is confident? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Second one.
This is very easy. Yes, start. India. Speak, beta. Second one. India is rich. Start.
India is rich in places of historical, religious, industrial, and scientific interest.
Very good. India is rich in places of historical, religious, industrial, and scientific interest. Finish writing. I want to do one more exercise, children, at least 4. Still, we have 8 minutes left. Please plan your answers for the fourth one quickly. Then I'll give you time to write and then you'll post all the 16 sentences. Please plan the fourth exercise quickly. Hurry up, beta. Yes, dear, you want to say something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, plan the fourth exercise.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, only one child has done. How to start? Hurry up, others as well. Otherwise, how would we check what she's speaking? Hurry up. Who else has done? Tell me.
Ma'am, I have also done.
You've also done. So 2 of them have done. Who else?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, 3. Okay, tell me the first answer. Speak the
Morning
first
walk.
one.
Morning walk
is not
not
only good for
Yes, this was a little easier one. Speak again. Speak a little slowly. Many of them must have not understood. Speak better.
morning walk is not only good for health but also extremely enjoyable.
Understood better? Now the second one. Who's going to give me the second one?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, better.
In the morning, the atmosphere is indeed very pleasant.
Yes, this was an easy one. Just check out, has she included every word? I hope she's not missed out anything, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now the third one.
As we move out, we enjoy the morning breeze and feel refreshed.
Do you agree with the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is comparatively easier. Yes, the fourth one now. Yes, beta, the fourth sentence. Who will give me?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta, speak.
There is the music of the early birds and mellow glow of the rising sun.
Do you agree? Have you checked for the words? Please check for the words. Speak once, Peter. Speak the last one again.
There is the music of the early birds and mellow glow of the rising sun.
Did we check the answers? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent, children. Finish your written work and post on the group. Start posting on the group with your name, all the 16 sentences. Whoever posts, please inform me so that I can go to the group and start checking. Start posting one by one and keep informing me, ma'am, we are done. We'll see then if we have time for something else. Hurry up, tell me who has posted.
Ma'am, I have sent on the group.
Okay, did you mention your name with it, Peter?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. What about others? Tell me quickly.
I'm just writing the last sentence.
Okay, Bachi, okay, I'm waiting. Once you post, please inform. Hurry up, I'm waiting, children. Make sure all of you post before the class gets over. Only one student has
I'm
posted.
posted.
Okay, Gargi has also posted. Let me go through it. Okay, fine. Two children. Hurry up, hurry up. I'm going to mark you present only if your work comes. Otherwise, it's no point. Good, very good. Those who posted, there's still some who are left. We still have 1.5 minutes. Please post your work. Hurry up. Please post. Those who posted can try this first one. We still have 1.5 minutes by the time that they are posting. Let's see who gets it first. Let's have it as a competition. Let me see who gives the answer first. Okay, posted. Very good. Join us in the competition. Those who posted. Tell me the first answer. We still have about 90 seconds. Tell me. Hurry up, anyone who can give me the answer?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, beta, please tell. Yes, yes, try.
I'm posted.
If we do too many things at once, we become less focused and effective.
We become less focused and effective. How can we both the things together, less effective also and this also? How is it possible? Anyone else? It should be ineffective actually. Can we have another way of this answer? How can we be less focused and effective at the same time? It should be ineffective.
Yes.
What about the second one? What about the second one?